your boy Wabbit. Welcome to another vlog. Yeah, since I moved out from my previous city, I haven't shown you guys where I'm staying now. So this is just a little video, a little vlog to show you where I've moved to and my surroundings, my place now. You know what I mean? Stay tuned, bro. I'm sucking. Guys, this is the hardest part. Supposed to climb these stairs to the top. Yeah, let's do this. So I just got halfway. See where I came from. And I still have all the same distance up again. And the funny part is this is the road to my school. So if I'm not going to use the train, I end up walking this way every day. I hope. I did it. Ooh, I did it. Man, just look down. Just look through the tree tunnel, way down. Man, I did it. Nicest elementary schools I've seen in my life. The satisfaction I gave me, it's crazy, man. So this is where I am now. So this is the streets of Kharkov. I'm in Wabbitshot street right now. You can see everywhere coffee shops, man. This is a country of coffee lovers. Always love coffee. It's crazy. I think weather is getting really cold now. Let me just end it here. If I'm ending it here. Get back. Yeah, it's still weird walking on the streets, vlogging. People looking at you like you're a mad guy. So, okay. We got MDK here, medical conference. Whoa, Tema. I'm just seeing funny stuff.